Welcome to our video on how to use Deepseek R1 to make money online. Deepseek R1 is a powerful AI platform that can help you unlock new opportunities and grow your online income. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or content creator, this guide will show you how to leverage Deepseek R1 to boost your earnings. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is Deepseek R1? Deepseek R1 is an advanced AI platform designed to simplify and enhance tasks like data analysis, natural language processing, and machine learning. It's a versatile tool that can be used across industries, from e-commerce and marketing to content creation and finance. By automating complex tasks and providing actionable insights, Deepseek R1 can help you save time, increase efficiency, and ultimately make more money online. Part 2. Freelancing with Deepseek R1. If you're a freelancer, Deepseek R1 can help you stand out in a competitive market. Here's how. 1. Data analysis services. Use Deepseek R1 to analyze data for clients. Whether it's market research, customer behavior analysis, or financial forecasting, businesses are always looking for experts who can turn data into actionable insights. 2. Content creation. Deepseek R1's natural language processing capabilities can help you generate high-quality content quickly. Offer services like blog writing, social media management, or email marketing to clients. 3. AI-powered chatbots. Build and deploy chatbots for businesses using Deepseek R1. Many companies are looking for AI-driven solutions to improve customer service, and this is a lucrative niche to explore. Part 3. E-commerce and dropshipping. Deepseek R1 can be a game-changer for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Here's how to use it. 1. Product research. Use Deepseek R1 to analyze market trends and identify high-demand products. This can help you make smarter decisions about what to sell in your online store. 2. Customer insights. Deepseek R1 can analyze customer data to help you understand buying behavior. Use this information to create targeted marketing campaigns and improve your sales. 3. Inventory management. Optimize your inventory by predicting demand and avoiding overstocking or stockouts. Deepseek R1's predictive analytics can help you manage your supply chain more effectively. Part 4. Affiliate marketing and content monetization. If you're into affiliate marketing or content creation, Deepseek R1 can help you maximize your earnings. 1. Content optimization. Use Deepseek R1 to analyze your content's performance and identify areas for improvement. This can help you create more engaging posts that drive traffic and conversions. 2. Keyword research. Deepseek R1's data analysis tools can help you find high-traffic, low-competition keywords. Use these insights to create content that ranks higher in search engines. 3. Audience insights. Understand your audience better by analyzing their preferences and behavior. This can help you tailor your content and affiliate offers to maximize revenue. Part 5. Online courses and consulting. Deepseek R1 can also help you create and sell online courses or consulting services. 1. Course creation. Use Deepseek R1 to analyze trends and identify topics that are in demand. Create courses that teach others how to use AI tools like Deepseek R1 for their businesses. 2. Consulting services. Offer consulting services to businesses looking to implement AI solutions. Use Deepseek R1 to demonstrate how AI can improve their operations and profitability. 3. Automated tools. Develop AI-powered tools or templates using Deepseek R1 and sell them online. For example, you could create a chatbot template or a data analysis tool for small businesses. Part 6. Tips for success. To make the most of Deepseek R1 and maximize your online income, keep these tips in mind. Stay updated. AI technology evolves quickly, so stay informed about new features and updates in Deepseek R1. Focus on value. Whether you're offering services, products, or content, always prioritize delivering value to your audience or clients. Network and collaborate. Connect with other professionals in your niche to explore collaboration opportunities and expand your reach. Conclusion and call to action. Deepseek R1 is a powerful tool that can help you make money online in countless ways. Whether you're freelancing, running an e-commerce store, or creating content, this AI platform can give you a competitive edge and help you grow your income. Have you used Deepseek R1 to make money online? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time.